Welcome back to the channel. Let's start with gold. Gold is currently trading around $4,094 per ounce, up about 0.44% on the day. Officials from Qatar and the US have indicated that mediation between the US and Iran has entered a more positive phase, fueling market hopes that the Strait of Hormuz will reopen in the near term. The pullback in oil prices has eased inflation concerns. CME data shows the probability of a September rate hike has dropped from 67.2% to 56.9%, driving down U.S. Treasury yields and the U.S. dollar, which has provided key support for gold prices. However, Iran has denied that formal negotiations have begun, and with no agreement yet in place, gold prices may remain volatile. From a technical perspective, the daily chart remains range-bound between $4,000 and $4,200. Support is found at $4,040 to $4,050, while resistance is at $4,107. Turning to crude oil, prices closed sharply lower on Tuesday, hitting a 3-week low. WTI crude oil CFDs closed at $75.13 on Tuesday, down 6.15% for the day, and is currently hovering around $75.90. The market's downward revision of the risk premium for supply disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz was the primary driver of this round of declines. However, the strait remains virtually closed, and the US and Iran still disagree on control of the waterway, meaning supply risks have not completely subsided. Additionally, API data showed U.S. crude oil inventories increased by approximately 2.7 million barrels, further weighing on oil prices in the short term. Tonight's official EIA inventory report will be the focus. Technically, a large bearish candlestick has formed on the daily chart, and the overall structure remains weak. Support lies between $74.30 and $75, while $80 serves as the primary resistance level. Also, keep an eye on the US ISM Services PMI tonight, and watch for the July non-farm payrolls report on Friday. Thank you for watching.